here's the best way to get money, or bolts, in Gorilla Tag. I got all of my bolts from mining these down here. So you want to either have a crowbar or any pickaxe. That's the best way. I'm using a hookshot because it will help me get away from him. Basically, this also helps you get those if they're banked. And what you want to do is kill him. And while he's dead, you want to mine all the ores. It's pretty easy to kill him. And usually, when you're done mining the ores, and after you're done, when he respawns, usually all the ores will respawn too.
We're in,
So... a lot of people think the only way to get out of the sewers is to die, but there's actually a teleporter. Oh! See? So every 16 hours, a research point will get banked, and then you can go mining, and if you mine enough of the ores, you will eventually get it. Yeah, but all of those are from mining. Oh, that freaks me out, even mainly every time I kill him.
okay. Where are you
How
guys?
did I not hit that?
Wait for me!
I killed him. He doesn't do that much damage. He's hard to. And if you have a hook shot, I just recommend doing that. And then, here's how you escape without having to go through the low gravity and getting past the anglerfish. So I'm just gonna bag my pickaxe. So I'm just gonna demonstrate. So what you want to do is just do the parkour. If you have hook shots, you're just using them. Now, to get to the teleporter,
I'm gonna wait here, I'm gonna wait.
This way, not that way.
I'm gonna wait.
You just want to come here. If you don't have a flashlight, that's okay. There is
I found a key card.
a path here. It's just
It was inside this backpack.
see.
You missed. Oh, you missed.
Yo guys, I have a key card.
Doing some more. You will find it. I suggest using a flashlight. But hey, I'm not you. I suggest bringing a
A bunch of
flashlight.
random bands came out.
And yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, so just do that mining of the ores down in the sewers.